Hey guys, Sandesh here from ReflectON. What we have today is the front left side passenger door of a Skoda Octavia. We have repainted this car with a Glasurit 109, 923109 HS Clear Coat. We have sanded it down with a 1000 grit Abranet from Mirka. Proceeded with 2000 Abralon discs from Mirka, 2000, 3000, and we have sanded up till 4000. What we are going to try now is the new Tasuke pad. Tasuke Wool Pad along with Menzerna HCC400 compound and see how it works. Stay tuned. Now that we've just applied the compound onto the panel, I'm just going to start compounding. Wipe off. Can I handle the camera? Yep. Let's see the correction now. The corrected part. Absolutely clear. This is the sanded part. Tasuke Wool Pad on a Bosch GP 12 Rotary with a Menzerna HCC400 compound, slow pass.